Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will develop a C program to print the left side of the inverted pyramid with numbers using nested for loop. In the VS Code, I am creating a C program named left underscore side underscore inverted underscore pyramid.c. At the top of the file, I am including the header file stdio.h to use the printf statement. I'm creating the main function of the program. Within the main function, in the declaration part, I'm declaring three integer variables I, j and k. Next, I'm creating a for loop using the variable I. I'm initializing I with 5 and giving the condition I should be greater than or equal to 1. I'm decrementing the variable I for each iteration of the loop. So I loop will run from I equal to 5 to I equal to 1. Within this I loop, I am creating another for loop using the variable j. I am initializing j equal to I and I am giving the condition j should be less than or equal to 4. And then I am incrementing j for the each iteration of the loop. So j will run from value of I to 4. Within the j loop, I am adding a printf statement to print an empty space. Next to j loop, I am adding another for loop using k. Here I am initializing k with 1 and I am giving the condition k should be less than or equal to I and I am incrementing k by 1 for each iteration of the loop. So k will run from 1 to the value of I. Within the k loop, I am adding a printf statement to display the value of k. After k loop, within the I loop, I am adding a printf statement to print /n. So it will move the cursor to the new line. And finally, at the end of the main function, I am adding return 0 to close the program. Let's save the program, and to compile it, I am opening the VS Code terminal by pressing Ctrl J, and then I am typing gcc space the program name .c and then pressing enter. And to run the program, the same terminal window, I am typing /a.exe and then pressing enter. From the output, we can see the left side of the inverted pyramid is displayed. Let me explain how this output is displayed by this program. In this program, in the line number 6, the for loop will start its first iteration with I equal to 5. And in the line number 7, the j will start from j equal to 5 because I is 5. But it will fail the condition j is less than or equal to 4 because 5 is not less than or equal to 4. So in the first iteration of I, the j loop won't run any iteration. Then in the line number 10, the k loop will start from k equal to 1 and it will run up to k equal to I, which is 5. So the k loop will run from 1 to 5. So it will run 5 times and it will print the value from 1 to 5 in the console output. And then the line number 13 will print /n and move the cursor to the new line. So after the first iteration of the I loop, the program might have printed the value 1 to 5 and then move to the new line. For the second iteration of the I loop, the value of I will be 4. In this iteration, j loop will run from j equal to 4 to j equal to 4. So it will run one time and will print one empty space in the output. And the k loop will run from 1 to 4 and have printed 1 to 4 in the console. And line number 13 will print /n and move the cursor to the new line. So after the second iteration of the I loop, we have printed one space and then value 1 to 4 and move to the next line. Similarly, for the third, fourth and fifth iteration of the I loop, the remaining 3 rows will be printed in the console. This is how we got left side of the inverted pyramid in the output. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also please subscribe if you are new to this channel.